Hello everyone, and welcome to a J Factory Flow. Today we're taking you inside one of the most heavily guarded facilities in India, the Reserve Bank of India's security printing press in Nashik, Maharashtra. This is where the nation's currency comes to life. From humble cotton fiber to the crisp notes you hold in your hands, we'll reveal the complete journey of Indian rupees, from the 10 rupee note all the way up to the 500 rupee note. You'll witness 6 different denomination colors being mixed simultaneously: chocolate brown, greenish yellow, fluorescent blue, lavender, bright yellow, and stone gray. You'll see the legendary Mahatma Gandhi portrait emerge through the ancient art of Intaglio printing. You'll watch as holographic foils, watermarks, and invisible UV inks transform ordinary paper into impossible-to-counterfeit security. We'll take you through every stage, from cotton pulping to high-speed offset printing, to AI-powered quality inspection, to precision cutting and secure vault storage. This is industrial alchemy at its finest. This is how a nation's financial identity is created, one note at a time. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AJ Factory Flow for more incredible factory documentaries from around the world.
Massive rollers compress the freshly made paper, extracting water and preparing it for the intricate printing process ahead.
Here, the dandy roll engages with the wet paper pulp, embedding the intricate portrait pattern that serves as the first line of defense. Illuminated from behind, the intricate details of the watermark become visible, embedded deep within the fibers of the paper.
Deep within the facility, the security thread is seamlessly integrated into the wet substrate. At this stage, the paper contains only the embedded thread. No printing or color exists.
Here, high-speed optical sensors verify the security thread's precise position. The system confirms acceptance before the sheets move on for printing.
The blank security paper travels rapidly through these heated cylinders. This drying process is essential before the intricate currency designs can be applied.
Emerging from the drying cylinders, this continuous web of blank cream-colored security paper is now ready to become the foundation for future currency designs. Inside the National Security Printing Facility, this blank substrate passes through quality inspection sensors that verify thickness and embedded features before printing begins.
Precision engineering ensures every sheet meets the stringent security standards required for the foundation of the currency.
At the RBI Nashik printing facility, high-speed cutters transform the continuous paper web into individual sheets, the first step in creating secure documents. Here at the security printing facility, blank sheets are organized by denomination, ready to become the substrate for new currency notes. Inside the security printing facility, precision is paramount. These 6 distinct ink colors are prepared for the next generation of security printed notes. Utilizing advanced spectrophotometry, we ensure these inks, browns, yellows, and the fluorescent blues, meet the rigorous standards set for our security notes. Specialized inks, including fluorescent blue and lavender, are fed into the offset presses. This critical step ensures the integrity of the security printed notes before. Inside the high-security Nashik facility, blank sheets are coated with the foundational chocolate brown ink, the critical first step in producing the new 10 rupee notes.
Here at the Reserve Bank facility, the 20 rupee note begins its transformation, receiving the distinctive yellow-green base layer in a high-speed offset process. Across 6 distinct lines, advanced presses synchronize to produce the nation's currency, untouched by human hands until the final stage.